I am always in the right place at the right time. Life is simple and easy because I realize that it's all about savoring each moment and being grateful for the luxurious pleasure it gives me and everyone around. I appreciate the goodness of every wonderful moment. I enjoy taking time out every day for me, doing what I like to do and what makes me truly happy. It makes me feel empowered to be kind and to express love freely. It warms my soul and showers me with bliss. Giving and receiving goodness fills me with joy and contentment. That is the greatest reward, to be at peace with myself. I easily forgive myself and others for past actions, because I know that nobody's perfect. We are all simply doing the best each of us can. When I give my best, that makes me feel complete and free. I am able to let go of the past because it is over and cannot be changed. And by doing so, I am able to clearly think of how I can make my life better today. It is my choice, the path I go down. I am in control of my feelings and emotions. How I feel is up to me. I choose to have a positive and bright outlook on things. The best and the highest comes to me at every moment.